Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am so excited. I'm here with Jackie. Jackie is here 1 year after her procedure at Natural Transplants with me. And I could not be happier with her results. We were looking at her old pictures today, and it was really like, wow, what a nice change, what a big difference. Definitely a life changer for her. So I wanted to, for her to talk about her experience. And Jackie, what do you think of your journey, and what do you think of your results?
I would like to say that I got my life back. I was hiding for a very long time. I did not know that I was able to get the surgery and actually get my confidence back. So it's a win-win for me.
Good.
It's very
it's life-changing, right?
But
yeah,
I'm very happy.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to give it one more round, actually.
Right. So we talk about, a hair transplant adding about 30% of your density back. And it's not perfect hair, but it's enough to certainly pull your hair back in a ponytail or, wear styles you haven't done in a long time. Let's just model your hair, I guess, for a little bit. Maybe you could just kind of pull it back and turn to the one side and just hold it there. Yep. So look how natural that looks on the profile there. And compared to the old picture, holy smokes, what a difference. Let's see the other side. Let's do the same thing. And we'll pull it back. So you can see all that new hair. Beautiful, natural way to... And what a curly, very cool hair type she has too with the curly hair there. So...
Yeah, so my curls kind of define it. So it kind of like, you're not seeing the whole thing because it's in curls.
Yep.
My curls are very, very tight.
Yep.
So
very tight coil pattern, but it went for a great result. I mean, I really love how that's reframing your face. When the wind blows, you don't have to constantly worry about your hair now.
Thank God.
So would you say you are going to do it again, and perhaps we can even document that journey and that result? That's going to be a wow, even more wow than So I'm really excited about that. But thank you for showing your results. And are you having any other issues in terms of the scar in the back? A lot of women worry about a scar in the back of their head. Does it ever bother you in any way?
Kind of forgot.
Right.
So I don't know.
Right.
Feel like my hair is getting thicker in the back.
Good.
And again, I do have a very dense curly hair. So I don't think I would really notice as much if it was anything.
Right.
But I don't think so. I think it's coming in great. I think it's coming in all angles the way that it should. And yeah.
Thank you. And thanks for showing. And what would you tell the women if there's someone on the fence about a hair transplant? What would you tell them?
Don't wait.
Don't wait. Get it done.
Don't wait. Just go, close your eyes, and get it done. And this is the way to go. This is the more natural.
Yeah.
The most natural way to go. I've had family members who did other procedures, and when we're next to each other looking at our results. By far, my results are the most natural results you'll ever get.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, Jackie, thank you so much for being an ambassador for us, and really looking forward to seeing your next procedure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.